is Carys, Camila,
Moshefah, Esther,
Michael,
Judah,
Adan,
Amiri.
And this is our story.
And it's called Nancy and the Splashing Kids.
Well, I'm a principal cat named Nancy, and I'm extremely fun. Okay, check this out. All the kids love me. Yeah, you guys want to do TikTok dances with me? Okay, no, that's cool. It's fine. I really want to be a lifeguard here at Indoor Waterpark Elementary. Elementark. I really hope that 100 students can come and have the best day ever.
By eating the best desserts,
Playing the video games.
And doing whatever we want. Splash here.
Okay, you're going down the water slide. Oh, no, I'm not supposed to do that as a lifeguard. Every time I throw a kid down the water slide, I have to make myself eat something spicy, like takis. Extremely spicy takis or hot Cheetos. Whoa, that's a hot one. Oh boy, okay, I hope another kid doesn't splash me. No! Oh, you're going down the water slide! Man, why do I keep doing that? You know what? I'm not gonna do it this time. I'm gonna be a good lifeguard cat. Splash! No. Splash! No, I'm not gonna do it. Splash, splash, splash! Good day, child. I did it! Phew. That was really tough. You know what? I still kind of want to eat something spicy, so just this one last time, I'm gonna have the spiciest chip in the world, the super hot flaming one chip. Ooh, that's a hot one, okay. Oh, I'm already tempted to eat it again, but I'm not going to. I wonder how I could get the students to come to Elementark. Maybe with this sign that says free school, free snacks. Free school?
free snacks.
Wow, I thought it was a prank. Me too.
It's not. You're a pal. You're principal.
The end.
We are the Story Wranglers.